Hello, this is Jason with Pete's Equipment Sales and Rentals in Morrisville, Vermont. I'm a Metavic dealer for the U.S., importer for the U.S. This is a compact wheeler. It's got the 14-foot bed on it. It's got the Dexter 7,000 pound axles on it. It's also got the slide adjustable tie downs on it and equipment ramps as well. One thing everybody asks is, oh my gosh, how come the trailer costs so much money? I can go buy an equipment trailer, throw a loader on it, and I'll be done. Well, look at the stickers on all your equipment trailers. Do not side load, do not do this, do not do that. These trailers are made to load over the side time after time after time. So if we kind of bend down here and take a look, see, you'll notice the size of this main I-beam here, the size of this compared to your equipment trailers. Your equipment trailer is going to have maybe like a 6-8 inch I-beam. This is a stout I-beam. This is made to take that twisting all day long. So yeah, you can put one on the equipment trailers with some of the competition's doing. Let's see where it is in 15 years. The trailers we bring in have got Dexter 7,000 pound axles, so we got a GVW of 14,000 pounds. The loader itself weighs about 4,000, so you got 10,000 pounds of payload capacity out of this trailer. This trailer has a 14-foot deck on it. This is a standard deck. It's an optional wood deck on it. If you want an open deck, you save yourself a little bit of money there. The other nice thing we have is the stake pockets are easily adjustable. If you don't want them here, you want them here, you can move them around. The Metavics have an option here as well. Ramps. They're 84-inch long ramps. They're very stout. So if you want to load a tractor on here, bring it to the job site, or one of your little dingoes or the walk behind bobcats or whatever, you can show up, get everything done, see you bye, you're all down the road. LED lighting on everything there. Nice little feature we've been adding lately is we've got the adjustable tie downs. So a lot of trailers don't have that. They're all welded on, makes it really nice. You have to secure your load. Why not pull out and be all done? The other thing too, D-rings are standard on them. Tie down your equipment. The log grapple on this one's a 40-inch grapple, continuous rotation. They build all their own grapple. Said they do not build a rotator. It's one of those black parts there. The fittings on the Metavic trailer, it's all made in Canada. What are they, metric, whatever. It's all JIC fittings, easily purchased locally at a parts store, so there's nothing really special about it. Something breaks, you're all set. Don't be nervous. So yeah, in a nutshell, there's a compact, what I call the base model compact. Very simple, 1150 M14 loader. And any other questions, give us a call at Pete's Equipment Sales and Rentals in Morrisville, Vermont. Also check out our website. It's petesequipmentvt.com. Thank you very much.